In this video, I'm going to show you how to deselect in Photopea. Start by opening your Photopea project. Sometimes you may have an active selection on your canvas, such as part of an image, a masked area, or a selected object, and you want to remove that selection so you can continue working normally. The easiest method to deselect is by going to the top menu and clicking on Select. When the drop-down menu appears, click on DESELECT. As soon as you click it, any active selection on your canvas will disappear. Another quick and commonly used method is using the keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl and D together on Windows or Command and D on Mac. This will instantly remove any active selection. This shortcut is especially helpful when you are working quickly and want to save time. Both methods achieve the same result, so you can use whichever one feels more convenient for your workflow. Once deselected, you are free to make new selections or continue editing without any active selection boundaries, and this is how you can deselect in Photopea.